Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the highly anticipated 2026 Renault Clio, a car that's set to redefine the Supermini market with its blend of cutting-edge design, advanced technology, and impressive efficiency. If you love stylish, practical, and eco-friendly hatchbacks, this one's for you. The Renault Clio has been a favorite in Europe for years, thanks to its perfect mix of affordability, versatility, and eye-catching aesthetics. Now, the 2026 model is shaping up to be a game-changer. From what we know so far, Renault is taking a bold step forward with a more refined and sophisticated design language. Expect a sleeker, sculpted exterior with a striking front grille, enhanced LED lighting, and aerodynamic lines that give it a sportier, more premium presence on the road. The sloped roofline and redesigned rear end with a fresh lighting signature are sure to make it one of the most attractive hatchbacks in its class. Under the hood, while details remain under wraps, industry speculation suggests a range of efficient engine options. Turbocharged petrol engines will likely dominate the lineup, offering a great balance between power and fuel economy. Mild hybrid technology is expected to improve responsiveness and efficiency, with base models achieving an estimated 45 to 50 miles per gallon. But the big news? Renault could introduce a plug-in hybrid variant, perfect for those looking to reduce emissions while still enjoying a fun driving experience. This PHEV version is rumored to have an all-electric range of 30 to 40 miles, with an outstanding combined fuel economy of around 200 miles per gallon equivalent, ideal for city commutes and long-distance travel alike. Now, let's talk pricing. Renault aims to keep the Clio accessible, with base models starting around $18,000. Of course, higher trims and the plug-in hybrid will come at a premium, but given the blend of innovation and sustainability, they'll be worth every penny. Expected to launch in late 2025 or early 2026, this new Clio is set to be a top contender in the Supermini segment. So, what do you think of the 2026 Renault Clio? Let me know in the comments. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting car reviews. See you in the next one.